How you doing? I'm gonna help you by changing out a water filter. If you have any problems, please let the office or the maintenance know. Maybe they can help you out. With changing it out. But this is your filter. That's your filter. When we take it out, turn it to the left, turn it all the way. Okay, so that's your filter. This would be your new one. You put it back in. There you go. It is best to run your water for about a minute, so you get all the air and everything out of your system. I don't have a cup with me, but that's what I would be doing.